Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing 4 methods to open Google Play Store, then search and install apps and games. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. First method 1, go to settings, select the settings icon, go to apps, go to see all apps, go down and select show system apps. From the system apps we have to find Google Play Store. So let me go down and find Google Play Store. See, select it, then select open. See, this is a Google Play Store. Here on top we can see apps section, then games section. We also get this search option. So here we can search for apps and games, then we can install it. Okay, so this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to home screen, then select apps tab. Under apps tab we can see this search option, search for apps and games. So when we search when we use this field to search, it will search in Google Play Store. From there we can directly install apps and games. We also get this app categories here. Okay, this is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3, we can use this global search option. So basically here we can search for apps, games, movies, shows, everything. So when we search something here, it will search in Google Play Store as well. Okay, so this is a method 3. So these are the 3 methods. Please try this.